All right, cool, cool, cool. So now what do we do? What do we do? Okay. So what we do is what? All right, so what number are we on? Number five. So let's go ahead and write number five. Okay. So what's number five? So I'm gonna give you access to number five. Okay. Access, access. Here we go. Ready? Five. Ready? Let's go to number five. So go to number five, everybody. Go to five. Thank you. Good job, you guys. There you go. So you're gonna write this down. All right, here we go. What do you do? What do you do? So now this is what you're gonna do. For those that didn't understand it or weren't here, you know. So you're gonna write y equals mx. This is what you're gonna turn in as work. Okay, it's not in Desmos in the Google Classroom. Okay, so then you go ahead and write that. You do the box. You got the slope and the y-intercept. Okay, and then go ahead and copy and paste what you wrote. But if you didn't, I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you. All right. So this is what you're gonna write. So for those that would just want to go ahead and write it, I'll go ahead and write it or indicate it for you. And let me stop the video so this video doesn't have to like follow me all. Oh, I don't even know where I ended. So again, on this one, you're gonna go ahead and start with 0, -7, right? Which is on the y because it's a y-intercept, -7. And then you're going to go follow 2 spaces up, 3 spaces to the right, 2 spaces up, 3 spaces, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All right. Now it says you're going to do the opposite, right? But you're going to start at 0, -7. So now you're going to go down to 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and keep going. So your graph should be a straight line like that. Sorry, it's a little off, but that you get the picture. All right, there you go for that one. Now the next one, remember, this is all on Desmos. This is all on Desmos. I only want to see this when you take a picture of it. Now the next one, what's the next one? Let's go ahead and do the next one. What is it? Oh, there it is, number 6. Y is equal to negative. So if there's one negative, I'm going to put it on the numerator on the top over 6. All right, x plus 2. So what are you supposed to do? Okay, again, y equals mx plus b. All right, there's your m and there's your b. Okay, so again, -1, again, is not rise. What is it? It's fall. So when you do your writing, it's going to be fall. Fall overrun. Fall overrun. So when you start doing that, you're going to put 0, comma 2, blah, 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 blah. We're going to go 1 space down. Don't forget to put the word down. 6 spaces to the right. Same thing. And we're also going to start at the 0, comma 2. All right, 0, comma 2. And that's all you're doing, guys. Look it, all you got to do is copy my answer. All right, come on, guys. Let me go ahead and stop this real quick. Here we go. I got a scam over here. All right, so again, for this one, what do we do? So we're graphing. Remember, the graph is always on the y. Always. Never on the b. Never on the x. Always going down. That's where you're going to start. Okay? The b. The b, 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 b. So that is what? Positive 2. Right here. Not right here. No. Not right there. Okay? Never on the x. You never start there. Always. Now, what do? Go down 1 and then 6 to the right. Down 1, 6. I think you can't go further because of the grid. Now do the opposite, starting at 0, comma 2. Up 1 and down 6. What if you go 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and then no? See how it's not a straight line? So that's wrong. So it's got to be up 1 and then 6. And there you go, right there. Okay? So that should be your graph. Now, don't draw this. Don't draw this on your notebook because that's on Desmos. I'm just showing you because I don't think there's a way you can see my graph. I don't know. Or I haven't even looked into that. So, all right. So that's basically it for now. All right. So the next problem is what? Y is equal to 7x and there's nothing. Okay. So this is where a lot of kids will get confused. All right. So you do the same thing, guys. Okay. Y equals mx plus b. You box it in, box it in. Now, you know it's going to be 7 up. Hey, get it? 7 up. 7 up. Okay, sorry. 7 up. 7. Imagine if it was 11, 7-Eleven. I'm sorry. Okay. Say I won't say it, Joey. So 7 up. Sorry. 7 up and then 10 to the right, okay? Now, this is the starting point. Where do you think the starting point is? Is there anything? Now, if you put a 1, then there's a 1. You're going to start at 1. But guess what? There's nothing. So, where are you going to start? Where are you going to start? Anybody? Where are you going to start? Someone say it. 0. Who said that? Yes. Yes. 0. There's nothing. All right? So 0. So you're going to start at 0, comma 0. 0. Okay, 0. So then we're going to go ahead and do the graph. Okay, and you're going to start at 0 because there's nothing for B, nothing. All right. So then what do we do? 7 up, 1, 7. Oh, sorry, I was going to 7 up and then 10 to the right. Okay, 7 and then 10, and then 7 down and then 10 to the left. Okay, and there's your line. No, 7 up. That's funny. 7 up. Sorry. Okay. I'll be more serious. Let's go ahead and do it. All right. All right, here we go. So the fourth one, number 8, we're writing y is equal to negative 3x plus 5. All right. So what do we do first? Huh? What do we do first? We write y equals mx plus b, right? Go ahead and write it. Y equals mx plus b. But look, mister, that one doesn't have an x. The x is over here. Hey. So what do? Because it's on this side, just switch it. Switch it. All right. So let's go ahead and switch it. Hey, mister, we could do that? Yeah, you could. All right. So, because it's not on the other side, it's just right here on this side. So we'll do 5x minus 3. So there you go. So take this out, take this out. And there you go. So my starting point, my y-intercept is 0, negative 3. Okay. And then it's 5 over what? Anybody? 5 over? Yes, 5 over 1. So then it's rise, because it's positive, over run to the right, because it's also positive. Okay? All right? All right. So that's basically it. This is what you're turning in, guys. This, number 7, this right there, number 6, and then number 5. All right, that's it. That's all you're going to turn in, and then you just graph it. So all you have to do is graph that. All right, blah, 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 starting point 0, negative 3. Da, 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 5 up and 1 to the right. Da, 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 and I'm starting the opposite with 0, negative 3. Okay, so there you go. That is it, and I did it for you. All you had to do was copy. Come on, and understand it. Don't just copy to copy. Copy to understand it, all right? Because we're cool like that. We're cool like that. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and do the video, all right? And then that's it for the video. I'm gonna stop it. All right.